Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about some essential cleaning brushes that will make your life easier. First up, we have the beaker brush for all your laboratory needs. Next, we have the window dust cleaning brush, which is perfect for cleaning those hard-to-reach places. For your car cleaning needs, we have the nylon car cleaning brush, which is gentle on your car's paint. Moving on to some household brushes, we have the black bristle wooden frame Lafica polish brush for all your shoe shining needs. The medium rectangular executive coat brush is perfect for keeping your coats looking sharp. The plastic cloth washing brush is great for getting out tough stains. For tougher cleaning jobs, we have the brass brush, which can handle rust and other tough grime. The polyester sponge roller paint brush is perfect for quick and easy painting jobs. The wooden pink paintbrush is a cute addition to your painting toolkit. Moving on to some specialized brushes, we have the tar brush with a wooden handle for all your traditional cleaning needs. The nylon cobweb brush round is great for getting rid of cobwebs in corners and ceilings. The dairy cleaning brush is perfect for keeping your milk containers clean. For bathroom cleaning, we have the plastic double-sided toilet cleaning brush and the plastic toilet tiles brush. Both are great for keeping your bathroom spotless. The soft leaf carpet brush is perfect for keeping your carpets looking new. Lastly, we have the brown and white plastic upholstery and floor mat brush and the black and green plastic floor brush for all your floor cleaning needs. And last but not least, the double hockey nylon brush is great for scrubbing away even the toughest grime. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful in choosing the right brushes for your cleaning needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.